Welcome to Mathematics Tricks. So today we are in class 8 Mathematics, first chapter. Rational numbers, exercise 1.1. Yes. So we are solving our NCERT book, problem by problem, word by word, and your solutions are right here. Alright, the first problem says, using appropriate properties, find. Okay, so you're given with a question wherein you have to use the property to find the answer. Here's your question. It says minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Okay, upon looking this question, you can tell me what are the properties that we could use. Yes, do you observe that 3 by 5 is repeating 2 times, which means we can take it common outside, right? Yes, we can use distributive property. I'll call it DP. Yes, we can use distributive property here. And before using distributive property, we need to arrange them. So first we would regroup them. So using regrouping, alright, so what we are doing is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Okay, now this entire term minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6, I'm going to write it right here. So I'm going to write it here, right. So minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Now reminding I'm having a single term left, which is nothing but your plus 5 by 2. Clear? So this is how we have regrouped it. So as we have regrouped it, we are just bringing this one here and this one there. Just you're going to arrange their, shift their positions, like from here it comes here and from here it goes there. Right. Next step is using distributive property. Now why do we regroup? Right. Second, I told that we will use distributive property because we need to take this 3 by 5 term outside. So we need to have them near by near so that we can write it conveniently. So this could be written as 3 by 5 could be taken outside, and inside you will be having these two numbers, minus 2 by 3, and over here I would write this as minus 1 by 6. So here I have an expanded form of my distributive property, which is nothing but minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. This minus sign I am giving it to this 1 by 6 so that I could take this positive 3 by 5 outside. This 3 by 5 is taken as common. The remaining term is minus 2 by 3, and this 1 by 6, because we have a negative sign to 3 by 5, I am giving the negative sign to its partner, which is nothing but 1 by 6. Now this is done. Remaining is plus 5 by 2. Now according to BODMAS rule, okay, BODMAS is also mentioned in one of our videos. You can check this out. Okay, I'll mention the link in the description. Yes. And now this one, minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6. How to solve it? Using your LCM. So taking LCM as 6, we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2, then we would get 3 by 5 into minus 4 minus 1 whole divided by 6. And on the other side I have plus 5 by 2. Yes, this is on the same side, and the extra term is plus 5 by 2. Now using addition of integers, 3 by 5 into minus 4 minus 1 would become minus 5 by 6, because minus 4 and minus 1 belongs to negative. So same sign, add and put the same sign. That is the rule. So this is minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Now how do we cancel? So when two fractions are multiplied like this, we can cancel them. But when they are added, we are not supposed to cancel them. Only when there is a multiplication symbol, you can cancel. So this is 5 ones are, and this is minus 1 times. This is 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So it is nothing but minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Now what is minus 1 plus 5? It is nothing but plus 4. So plus 4 divided by 2, answer is nothing but 2. So 2 is my answer. So the question says using appropriate properties, find what is the value of your question. So first we rearrange it or we regroup it, then we use distributive property and then we solve it further. Very simple. Same thing is for your second problem also. So your second problem, let's take down the question. Your second problem is nothing but 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. This is my second question. So if you could observe in your second question also, you have the number 2 by 5 which is present 2 times. Yes, we could use distributive property and throw it outside. Before that, we need to do the regrouping. Yes, got it right. Regrouping is the first thing that we are going to do. So how do we regroup? We just have to bring them close together. Just bring this term next to this term. So the whole term, so plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 is going to be brought on this side and this one is going to go to the other side. So that is nothing but your regrouping. Yes. So we will proceed in the same way. So 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Next term would be plus because you are bringing plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 closer to this term containing the 2 by 5. Now remaining term, write it as such, minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So this is thrown outside like this. So it is written here and this is written on this side. So this is called regrouping, or you can even call it associative. Yes. Next we will proceed using our favorite distributive property. Next, using distributive property, please use the word using distributive property, using regrouping, because otherwise you might lose your marks. Then yes, so let's proceed. Take 2 by 5 outside. You are having minus 3 by 7 and plus 1 by 14. Yes, so you are having minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Here we don't have a problem because only 2 by 5 is taken as common outside. Remaining I have minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2, and here also I have multiplication, right? Between 1 by 6 and 3 by 2 I have multiplication symbol, so I can cancel it. 1 times 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Yes, that's all I could cancel. Next, now use LCM to be 14. So this is to be multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. So you would get it as 2 by 5 into minus 3 into 2 is multiplied into 2 by 2 because we are taking the LCM as 14. So it becomes minus 3 into 2, which is nothing but minus 6 plus 1 all divided by 14. And here we have minus 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 2. So what is minus 1 plus 6? I'm sorry, minus 6 plus 1 is nothing but minus into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. So here again I have multiplication of these two fractions. Cancel them diagonally. 1 time minus 1 time 1 time 7 times. So this is nothing but minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Now we have to take the LCM. LCM is 28. So taking LCM as 28 minus 1 by 7 would be multiplied by 4 and divided by 4. So answer is minus 4 by 28, and minus 1 by 4 would be multiplied by 7 and divided by 7. So minus 7 by 28. So upon addition you will get minus 11 by 28, because minus 7 minus 4 is nothing but minus 11. So these two are the first two problems in your exercise. The first problem in your exercise 1.1. I hope you're clear with this. These two are the sums that I have taught you today. We'll continue the rest of this exercise in the next class. Until then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.